Let's get started with our alpha trader demo. You have to enter your ID first, like I'm entering it, and then you have to enter your password. Then you have to click on login. Then you will receive an OTP on your registered email address and the mobile number. I'm entering the OTP that I received. Then you have to click on OK. Then you can see you have just entered in the alpha trader. Okay. Now you have to do one thing. You have to activate the TOTP first. Okay, for the TOTP you have to just open the Google Authenticator application. You have to download it from the App Store or the Play Store. You have to click on get started and scan QR code. You have to just scan it and enter the TOTP, and you have to click on activate for that, and that you can see my TOTP is validated successfully. Now I am in the, as you can see, I am in the alpha trader right now. Here we can add up to 5 market watches like this. We have to go to the file section in the left side top, and there is an option of create market watch there. You have to create it here like demo, and you have to click on open market watch. That you can see the new market watch has been created. Like this, we can create up to 5 market watches in which we can add 50 scripts each. Like we can add up to 250 scripts. Okay, now I will tell you how to add the stocks and scripts in the market watch. Let's go to our demo market watch, and we have to select the first thing here like NSC. If we want to add the Tata Steel, okay, then we have to type the Tata Steel here and just click on add. Then you can see it is being added to our market watch. Same if you want to add for the BSE, we have to select the BSE here, and same Tata Steel. We have to click on add. Then you can see it is also added to our market watch. Okay, now if you want to add the future or the option in the market watch, then you have to select the NFO here. FUT stands for the future and OPT is stands for the option. FUT we have to select and type Nifty for the Nifty future. Then we have to select the expiry of the future. Like if we want to add for the Jan, then we have to select the Jan here and just click on add, and it is being added to our market watch. If we want to add the option, we have to select the option here. Then we have to type the Nifty. Then we have to select the expiry. Like we want to add for the last expiry of this December. Then we have to add for the call or the put. Like if you want, I want a put of 18,500, then we have to add it like this. Now if we want to add for the currency, then we have to select the FUD for the future and OPT for the option. Like we want to add the USD INR future for 30th of December, then we have to simply click on add. Then it will be added to our market watch. Same as for the MCX. If we want to add the for the commodity, okay, or the MCX, we have to select the FUT for the future and OPT for the options. FUT of the crude oil for the Feb 2023, and click on add. Then you can see it is being added to our market watches. You can also rearrange them like this, okay, or expand it, or whatever you want to do. Okay, like if you want to delete the scripts from your market watch, you have to just select that, and there is an option of delete in your market in your keyboard. You have to select that to delete the script. Now I will tell you about how to do buy and sell in the market. You have to just right click on it, and there is a first option of buy there, buy order, and second option is for sell order. First option is for buy and second is for the sell. We can also switch it from the here left side like buy or the sell. Blue one is for the buy and red one is for the sell. Okay, now we can see there are the many options came in which we have to look after two or three options like product types, order types. We have to enter the quantity here, prices, validity, and much more. Now we will talk about the product type first. Okay, if we want to purchase the delivery of the shares or we want to carry it for more than one day, then we have to select the CNC. CNC means cash and carry, in which we purchases the delivery of the equity cash. Then we have to enter the quantity here and then purchase it. Second one is MIS. MIS means marginal intraday square off. If you are an intraday trader, if you buy and sell at the same day, then it is for you. You have to square it off your position before the 320. Otherwise, our RMS team will charge you 20 rupees plus 18% GST if you squared off your position after the 3:20 p.m. For the currency, the timing is 4:50 p.m. You have to square off your position before 4:50 p.m. For the MCX summer, it is 11:15 p.m. and for the winters, it is 11:40 p.m. Okay. Now in the MIS, in the equity cash, we gave you up to three times limit. I will show you our margin sheet on our website. Let's go to our website. We have to open the support section from the website. Then you have to go to the limits and the margin in the account opening and charges. Then you have to select the fourth option, what margins will I get for trade, and then the margin sheet. Then you can see our margin sheet is open and you have to select the FNO intraday cash margin. Then you can see in these shares we provide you up to three times leverage in the MIS, means marginal intraday square off. You can check it out from our website also. Let's get back to our alpha trader window. Now the third option came is NRML. NRML means if you want to carry forward your position till the expiry of the options or the futures, then you have to select the NRML for that. Okay, so these are our basic product types. Now there is a option of validity here. Now in the validity there is an option of day and the IOC. Like if we place a limit order. Okay, like if we place the order and the prices doesn't come into the market, then it will be validated for the day only. But if we select the IOC for that, okay, then IOC means immediate or cancel. Like if we place an order, okay, and the our price is not matched to the buyer or the seller price, then it will be cancelled at that millisecond. If it got the price at that millisecond, then it will be executed. That means if we got the price, it will be executed. If we doesn't got the price, it will be cancelled at the same time. Okay. Now there are four order types. First is limit. In the limit, if we want to buy the share below the market price, like the market price is running at 100 rupees, and if we want to buy it at 95 rupees, then we have to select the limit for that and enter in the price section 95 and just click on submit. Then your order will be when the price comes in the market at the 95, your order will be executed. Second is market. Like you can see as a name, it will when the order will be executed at the market price, whatever the market price is going on. Okay. Now the third option came is SL. SL means stop loss. It works in the sell window. Like if we switch to the sell window, that you can see there's a two options came, price and the ticket price. Let's take an example. If we have a buy position of rupees 100 and we want to put a stop loss at rupees 95 rupees, okay, then we have to enter the 95 in the price section and much more and little bit more than the price in the trigger price, like 96, like 96. Okay, when the price goes down and it hits the ticket price, and that is 96, then your order will be triggered, and the best price above the 95. Okay, the on that your SL will be hit, means your order will be executed at that price. Okay, now the fourth option comes SLM. SLM means stop loss at market, in which you can see the price section is already hidden. It means you have to give only the trigger price here. Let's take an same example. If we have a 100 rupees buy position and we want to put a stop loss at rupees 95, then we have to put the 95 here. Okay, and when the price comes in the market, your trigger will be activated, and the next price in the market, whether it was which one, like 94 or the 96, at that price your order will be executed. Now we have a two special orders in which we have to do things, like first is bracket order. In the bracket order, it is also an intraday product in which you have to square off your position before 320. Otherwise, our RMS team will be charging you the same CNT amount, 20 rupees. Our RMS team will be charging you the same amount, 20 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay, like in the bracket order, you can bought up to three orders at the same time. First one is for the buying, second one is for the selling stop loss, and third one is for the selling target. We have to do just nothing. You have to just click on LTP and the absolute first. Okay, then you have to give the buying price. Like if you want to buy it at rupees 100, okay, then we have to give a price section as 100, and then we have to give our target price. Like if you want to give a target of rupees 120, okay, then we have to mention it in the absolute points, like the difference between that. Like if we want to put a stop loss target at rupees 120 and the price is 100, then the difference between them is 20, then we have to put the 20 here. Same as the stop loss, if we put the stop loss at rupees 90, then the difference between the price and the stop loss is 10, then we have to put the 10 here. Then we have, there is an option of training stop loss here, which we have, if which we have to use, then we have to take it to activate it, and if you want to leave it, then this is a optional. We have to take it for the activation. Like if you put the one in the trailing stop loss, okay, then when the price goes from 100 to 101, then the stop loss at rupees 90 will automatically trail to 91. Okay, rather the price came from 100 and 102, then it becomes 92. But if the price came from 100 to 99, then it doesn't detrail, like it will at 90, it doesn't come on 89. Okay, now I will tell you that how to exit the basket or bracket order. Okay, we have to go to our order window first. Like in the completed orders, there is our buy order, but in the pending orders, there is a first order of the stop loss, and the second order is for the target. Okay, so in the complete, if let's suppose the market comes at the 110 rupees and we want to square off our position at the market price, then you have to do just one thing. You have to come here in the order book and select the stop loss price, and then exit it from here. In the bottom right side, there is an option of exit here, and then we can exit it from here. Then your order will be executed at the market price, and you will book your profit or the loss. Okay, now I will tell you, in the bracket order in the equity cash, we also provide you the margin up to the 5 times. We can, which you can also see in our the margin sheet, which is also available on our website. Click on it, and there is an option of cover order there. Okay, now the cover order window is being appear, in which you can place up to two orders at the same time. First one is for the buying, and second one is for the selling stop loss. Here you have to give the buying price. Okay, like if you want to buy it at rupees 100, then we have to give the price at 100. Okay, now the stop, we have to give the stop loss between the range given. Okay, now the range is being not showing because the market is being closed. Okay, but the range is being shown here. We have to put the below the price like 95 we have to put. Okay, when we put the 95 price, the stop loss will be hit at the 95 rupees. Okay, now if we want to exit our order at the market price, same we have to go to our order book. Okay, here your buying order will be there, and here you have to select the stop loss order and exit it from here, so the your order will be executed at a market price. Same as the bracket order, we also gave up to 5 times leverage in the cover order also, which you can access with our margin sheet from our website. Now I will tell you that how to access our order book. You have to go to the orders. The second option is orders. In the second last option, it is order book. Here the order books opens. Here you can see pending orders and the completed orders. Okay, so in the pending orders, all the orders arrives which were not being executed till yet in the market, but in the completed orders, all the rejected orders, all the completed orders, or the cancel orders will be shown here. Okay, you can also modify your orders from here. Just select your order and click on the modify, then the window appears. You have to enter your modified price and then click on submit, then your order will be modified at your price. You can also cancel the order if you do not want to put it into the market or execute it into the market. Then you can also cancel them from here, and if you want to cancel all the orders from here, you can also cancel from here. Now I will tell you how to see your cash position. Just go to the third option of position. There is the first option of cash position, in which you can see your positions of your cash, that how much free cash do you have, how much total margin you have, how much margin do you use, how much paying do you did, how much collateral value do you have. All the things will be shown here. The equity and the currency will show you here, but for the commodity there is a different account. Okay, that you can see in the below of the equity. Now the second thing is positions. In the position, you will get all your positions that you have been created. Okay, there is a two options came. First is the net wise and second one is the day wise. In the day wise, you will get all your position that you have created today only, but in the net wise, you will get all your position that are being carried forwarded or created today, that will be here. Okay, you can also convert your position from here. If you want to convert your MIS position to the NRML or the MIS, just select the device from here and select the position you want to convert and click on convert position. Then you will get an option to convert your position from the MIS to the NRML or the MIS to the CNC. Then you can convert it from here also. If you want to square off your position for a particular position, you can also square it off from here. You have to just select the square off from here, and if you want to square off all your position as the market price, then you have to select the square of all and then click on yes. Then your all your orders will be squared out of the market price. Now the third option came holdings. Here you get all your holdings, that how much holdings do you have, what is the P&L is showing on. All the things will be here. If you want to square off all your holdings at the same time at the market price, then you can also square it off here from the bottom side. And if you want to square off at a particular position, then you can also square it off from here also. Now I will tell you that how to add the funds in the alpha trader. Just go to the funds and there is a first option came pay in. From the paying you can add the funds into the alpha trader trading account. Okay, you have to select the segment here like commodity or the equity derivative of the currency. Then it will show your bank and the bank account number, and the two option arrives net banking or the UPI. If you want to add the funds through the UPI, then you can also add it, and if you want to add the funds through the net banking, then you can also add it. For the net banking, you have to select the net banking and enter the amount. Then it will be redirect to your merchant gateway page of your bank, and then you have to log in there and credit your amount to the trading account. But if you want to add the fund through the UPI, then you have to select the UPI here, and it will ask you for the VPA. VPA means virtual payment address. That is your UPI ID. You have to enter your UPI ID here and then enter the amount here. And then when you click on the submit, then the mandate comes to a UPI application like Google Pay. Then you have to accept that mandate and then transfer your amount from your bank account to the trading account. Now get back to the alpha trader. If you want to do the payout like withdrawal, then you have to select the payout here and then you can place a request for the payout also. Now I will tell you how to access the charts. Like we have to right click on it, and then you can see the second last option, chart here. Then we have to select the validity from here. If I want the minute chart of the 5-minute charts for the 60 days, then we have to select it and click on OK. Then you can see the chart is being appeared. Okay, we can also adjust the timings from here. We can also select the chart from here. If I want the line chart or something else, we can also access it from here. If we want to add any indicator, like if we want to add the relative strength index, we can have to select it and just apply it, and then it will be done. There are so many tools here which you can also access. Like if you want to add the line, you can add like this. Okay. Now I will tell you some of the basic features of the Alpha Trader. Like if you want to change the theme of that, just go to the view and there is the option of application style. If you want to do as white, you can change the style of the application. If you want to go to dark, you can also change it. Now this is our index value bar. Here you can add the different types of indexes. Now I will show you how to add it. Just go to the view, then is an option of user settings here. Okay, so in the user settings, there is the option of market indices. Okay, in the market indices, you have to add the uh, index from here. Like if you want to add the Nifty 100 and just add it, apply it, and OK, then you can see it is being added to our index value bar. If you want to delete any index from here, just go to the same, and if I want to remove the Sensex, and okay, then we have to click on remove, then apply, and okay, then you can see the Sensex is being removed from our index value bar. You can also rearrange it, and you can also drag down and drag up here as per your convenient. So this is our alpha trader demo. Thank you.